coming to the next and a beautiful concept of initiators. This is closely related to the level breaks and the concentration point. Okay, so now we'll repeat once again for the same stock. We're going to put this particular horizontal line over here because this was the recent high. Now we are going to see whether there was a substantial presence of the buyers above this level. Yes, and also there was a concentration point over here. So as part of the marking, we are going to mark this point and we are going to mark this point, because within these 2 points there was no concentration point, right? So this upper level that we are going to mark and the lower level, this is our current level that is active. Okay, so if again the price goes up like this, let's say the price has gone up like this and it is sustained, now this particular level break will not hold any value because the last recent high was again broken if this price would have gone up. So we are going to move this particular level to upside. Clear till now? So now what we are going to do is we are going to mark the initiator of the particular level. So if I ask you who was responsible for breaking the valid level, so if a level is broken and if it's a valid level, which means the 3 conditions are met, if I ask you who was responsible for breaking this particular level, I would say this one, right? This particular green candle that you are seeing over here, this was responsible to take the price up. So this is I'll just give a call out over here. This is called an initiator. So I repeat again, the buyer or a candle who is responsible for breaking a particular level is called an initiator. Now if you want to see one more example over here, let's say you are looking at this particular region. Okay, let's say this is a recent high, correct, and there was a substantial fight. The second condition, the price was broken, right? The price was broken. This is not a concentration point. Okay, this is a very small retracement. Now all the 3 conditions are met. Now coming to the second entry, the second marking, till what point the price was taken up without any concentration point. That is the second marking that we are going to point it out, right? The price went very in a smooth way till here, so this is going to be our second marking. Now if I ask you who is responsible to break this particular or the recent high, is this particular candle. There is no appropriate way to mark a candle as initiator, but if you see after a very good fight, the first green candle who takes the price up can be marked as an initiator. Okay, so till here, the chart that you can see over here, till this particular data points, we have marked one initiator, we have marked the level, and also we have marked till what point the price was taken up, correct? Now again, if you can see over here, there was again a level break, right? First condition, substantial fight, price went up and there was a sustenance till here. We'll call it a sustenance. We'll call it as a sustenance over here. Okay, and who is the initiator? The initiator is this green candle who was responsible to break the price or the previous high. Now what about the last initiator over here? Now what we are going to do is we're going to delete this. We're not going to consider this particular as an initiator. This particular level's walk is over. Now we are going to consider only on this particular part. Okay, so this is how we mark an initiator.